Friday, at the recording of this, we're going to go on an adventure. We are going to actually do the same walk we did yesterday before we went to the Sox game. But halfway placed in order, I have about a 20-minute walk. I said my barbecue is going to be ready in 25 minutes. So set my timer. Actually, can't really see it, but there we go. I've already been walking for 3.5 minutes right now. It should take me about 20 minutes to get where I need to go. I'm just gonna walk by the Constitution. I'm heading to the TWE garden. They have like a food court in there. I want some barbecue. I'm gonna check that out. Then we're gonna check out the developments on the Charlestown Bridge, or the lack thereof, I should say. So here we go. We're about to approach the Constitution area in the Navy Yard. And we'll go from there. Just a little bit of Charlestown Navy Yard, one of the oldest Navy Yards in the country. Also, it is Constitution's in there, which we'll do another video more in depth at a different time. There's so much to the boat, but it's still a commissioned boat. It's still active. So, and then of course we're on the Freedom Trail right here for a little bit, which goes all the way around this area of Boston, Charlestown, towards the north end and all that stuff. But today we're on a mission to get lunch. So I just want to give you a little sample of the old Navy Yard. Like I said, we'll come back again and we'll do a full video of the Constitution. One of these days we're also going to check out the Bunker Hill Monument in a video as well. So something to look forward to. The temporary bridge here for the Charlestown. Now, this bridge is supposed to be complete, I think, this coming winter. In winter of 23. They ran into some issues with some of the steel. They pretty much stopped construction of this thing right now. And I've read that they're having issues with getting this thing complete, just because of like materials and stuff. And I guess there were some bad welds inside the steel or whatever. So they have this temporary bridge that was literally only temporary that they might actually have to rebuild, because I don't think it's going to last as long as it's going to take for that bridge. Notice there's no construction at all going on over that. I mean, they've literally stopped all putting this bridge together. And prior to about 6 months ago, this thing was booming. It was going fast. But now they got to figure out what the hell they're going to do. And hopefully get the materials fast enough to complete this thing. Fast enough to longer than the life of the temporary bridge, which will be very interesting. We're actually going to walk it on the way back. I just want to get it from this view over here. like 3 or 4 videos already on the process of the old Charlestown Bridge before they knocked it down, while they're knocking it down, while they're doing construction. So you can go back to those videos in the archives of this channel and check it out, the process, and see what the old bridge looked like. But right now we're gonna cross over on the locks over here. We're going to the garden, just right there, grab some food. So far we're 17 minutes into the walk. We've stopped a few times. Usually it takes about 25 minutes to get to the garden by walking. So we're a little slow, but like I said, we made a few stops. So food's already ready, so we can actually pick it up. It'll be good to go. So here we go. All right, we made it to the garden. 22.5 minutes. We've walked 1.2 miles at this point, which is not bad. And we're going the back way over here on the side. This is like all the people like to do after games. I like to go this way to avoid the massive bottleneck that is over the front of us. Looks like they put turnstiles on the commuter rail so people just don't hang on here like they usually do. So it's going to be interesting when that gets up. Looks like they're under construction right now. But I bet it's because they have a lot of people just hanging inside the train station. They would. All right, so it's back outside, heading back to where I need to be. I basically got my barbecue. I was going to eat the sandwich while I was walking, but I figured rather not. And I don't think I'm going to actually walk the bridge because it might actually take a little bit longer than I need to. I'm just going to go back the way I came. But we'll do an update on it. But you're not going to actually see much more from if you walk over the temporary bridge because you're on the opposite side of a construction. But so far, 37 minutes into this journey, it's going to be about 2.4 miles when it's all said and done, and about an hour. So it's just not too bad, but it only happens once in a blue moon. There's all the 93 traffic. Everyone's getting an early start to the weekend, leaving work, so it is about that time in the afternoon. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the experience. I went to the Navy Yard real quick, and also checking out the updates on the Charlestown Bridge, which is really not much since the last video we posted, which I think is when we were heading to the NBA Finals. I took a few shots over there, so which was only like 4 months ago, so well less than that. 3 months ago. So. Alright, thank you guys for watching. If you like these videos, please subscribe. Leave some comments below. Let us know what you think. And we'll talk to you guys soon. Later.